Hello, I'm Roslyn Forde. Good evening. My topic is tardiness within the workplace. Should tardiness be encouraged? Without hesitating, I say emphatically no. I will back my decision by expounding on the following points. As a professional, we should strive to be always on time. Tardiness affects production. It can hurt our reputation. Proper planning can alleviate tardiness. Anderson shares that an employer is considered tardy when he or she fails to report for duty at the time scheduled. This, I may add, is a habit of being late. Therefore, tardiness should not be encouraged. Resentment can arise when a person is habitually late and others must cover until they arrive. Tardiness affects production. Persons may think that it is not a big deal to be late. However, no matter how minor you think it may be, tardiness does affect productivity. Being late for a meeting or even missing deadlines can be a huge setback. As the saying goes, time is money, and no one wants to lose money. By now, you would have acknowledged that tardiness is a problem or an issue, and it can hurt your reputation or your career. Being habitually late sends a clear message to those in authority that you are not serious about your work. It can be taken that you are unreliable and that you have no value for time. Unfortunately, this can hamper your chance for great incentives or even a promotion. Now for the flip side. Tardiness can be expected from time to time. There may be good reasons for being tardy. At this time, employers should be sensitive to the needs of the worker and show empathy. For example, a worker may have become a mom for the first time. The need to adjust or readjust to this new situation is worth some empathy. Being new to a country and adapting to finding your way around can also need some leniency. However, being a new mom or even new to a country can be quickly cleared by proper planning. Proper planning can alleviate tardiness. A factor for tardiness is disorganization. Clothes not ready, documents cannot be located, etc., etc. Another factor is that the individual is not self-motivated. To up this problem, one must acknowledge and plan to be better. The use of a timer or an alarm can assist to organize yourself to be on time for work. Traffic, road construction, heavy rainfall, and accidents are all possible causes for tardiness. We should all plan for these. Give ourselves at least a 20-minute head start on our day's journey. Let us even try carpooling. This can also reduce the traffic congestion. And as I conclude, let us be mindful that allowing tardiness to be encouraged could develop a ripple effect on the rest of the staff. Everyone would be expecting the same leniency and would be coming into work whenever they feel like. Encourage and celebrate those who attempt to improve. But never, never encourage tardiness. I thank you.